Afghan English Academy.
You are just mine, Amir. You have to marry me.
You are just mine, Amir. ته یوازې زما یې امیره. You have to marry me. ته باید له ما سره واده وکړې. Marry ویل کېږي واده کول.
I will complete my plan. You don't know me yet.
I will complete my plan. زه به خپل هدف پوره کوم. Complete ویل کېږي مکملول ته او plan ویل کېږي هدف ته. You don't know me yet. ته تر اوسه پورې ما نه پیژنې.
What happened? Where is Daisy? I am worried about her.
What happened? څه واقع شول? Where is Daisy? Daisy چیرته ده? I am worried about her. زه د هغې باره کې پریشانه یم.
Come on, Daisy. Pick up the phone. Where are you?
Come on, Daisy. Pick up the phone. موبایل اوچت کا. Where are you? تو چیرته یې؟
She is not picking up the phone. Oh God, help me.
She is not picking up the phone. هغه موبایل نه اوچتوي. Oh God, help me. یا الله زما کومک وکړي.
Good evening, Mom. How are you?
Good evening, Mom. ماښام دې په خیر شه مورې. How are you? څنګه یې ته؟
Mom, is everything okay? What's going on here?
Mom, مورې, is everything okay? آیا هر څه ټیک دي؟ What's going on here? دلته څه روان دي؟
Daisy is not picking up the phone. Please find her.
Daisy is not picking up the phone. Daisy موبایل نه اوچتوي. Please find her. مهرباني وکړه هغه پیدا کا. Find ویل کېږي پیدا کول ته.
What do you mean, Mom? Is she missing? She must be in university.
What do you mean, Mom? ستا څه مطلب دی مورې؟ Is she missing? آیا هغه لاپته ده؟ Missing ویل کېږي لاپته ورکه. She must be in university. هغه به ضرور په پوهنتون کې وي.
She is not there. I talked to her 2 hours ago.
She is not there. هغه هلته نشته. I talked to her 2 hours ago. ما له هغې سره خبرې وکړې 2 ساعته مخکې.
She was very happy today. She was going to come home soon.
She was very happy today. هغه نن ورځ ډیره خوشحاله وه. Happy ویل کېږي خوشحاله. She was going to come home soon. هغه کور ته ډېر زر راتلله.
Harry, you have to find your sister. She must be in trouble.
Harry, you have to find your sister. ته باید خپله خور پیدا کړې. She must be in trouble. هغه به ضرور په مشکل کې وي. Trouble ویل کېږي مشکل ته.
Please do something. My daughter is very innocent. Go and find her.
Please do something. مهرباني وکړه یو څه وکړه. My daughter is very innocent. زما لور ډېره معصومه ده. بېګناه ده. Innocent ویل کېږي معصومې ته بېګناه ته. Go and find her. لاړ شه او هغه پیدا کړه.
Don't cry, Mom. I will find my sister.
Don't cry, Mom. ژاړه مه مورې. I will find my sister. زه به خپله خور پیدا کړم.
Somebody help me. Please let me go. I am innocent.
Somebody help me. یو څوک زما کومک وکړئ. Please let me go. مهرباني وکړئ ما پرېږدئ چې لاړه شمه. I am innocent. زه بېګناه یم.
Oh God, help me. I am helpless. I want to go home.
Oh God, help me. یا الله زما کومک وکړئ. I am helpless. زه بېوسه یم. Helpless ویل کېږي بېوسه. I want to go home. زه غواړم چې کور ته لاړه شم.
Why are you shouting? You are driving me crazy.
Why are you shouting? ته ولې چیغې وهې؟ Shouting ویل کېږي چیغې وهلو ته. You are driving me crazy. ته ما تنګوې. Driving me crazy مطلب دا دی یو څوک تنګوله.
I beg you. Please let me go. I don't have money. I am broke.
I beg you. زه تا ته سوال کوم. Beg ویل کېږي سوال کول. Please let me go. مهرباني وکړه ما پرېږده چې لاړه شمه. I don't have money. زه روپۍ نه لرم. I am broke. ما سره یوه روپۍ هم نشته. ملګرو د I am broke مطلب دا دی چې کله یو انسان سره یوه روپۍ هم نه وي څه دی یوه روپۍ هم ورسره نه وي په جب کې نو هغه به یې ویلی شي چې I am broke مطلب ما سره یوه روپۍ هم نشته.
You cannot go from here. You have to stay here for a few days.
You cannot go from here. ته نشې کولی چې له دې ځای څخه لاړه شې. You have to stay here. ته باید دلته پاتې شي for a few days د یو څو ورځو لپاره.
Enough is enough. You have to untie me right away.
Enough is enough. بس دی نور بس دی. You have to untie me right away. ته باید همدا اوس ما خلاصه کړې. untie ویل کېږي خلاصول.
I am not going to tolerate your behavior anymore. I am very crazy.
I am not going to tolerate your behavior anymore. زه به ستا نور دغه سلوک یا رویه نور به برداشت نه کړم. tolerate ویل کېږي برداشت کولو ته او behavior ویل کېږي سلوک رویه ته. I am very crazy. زه ډېر لیونی یم. crazy ویل کېږي لیوني ته.
I have lost my head. You have to die. I will shoot you.
I have lost my head. زه ډېر په غوسه یم یا زه ډېر په غوسه شوی یم څه دی مطلب دی ښه زه ډېر په غوسه شوی یم. You have to die. ته باید مړه شې. I will shoot you. زه به تا وولم.
You can close your eyes. I am going to shoot you.
You can close your eyes. ته کولی شې چې خپلې سترګې دې بندې کړې. I am going to shoot you. زه به ستا وولم.
Please put your gun down. I am so sorry. I beg you.
Please put your gun down. مهرباني وکړه دغه توپانچه دې کښته کړه. I am so sorry. زه ډېره بخښنه غواړم. I beg you. زه تا ته سوال کوم.
This is my last warning. If you say one more word, I will shoot you.
This is my last warning. دا زما اخرنۍ خبرتیا ده. warning ویل کېږي یو چا ته خبرتیا ورکول د یو څه باره کې. نو if you say one more word که ته چېرته یو خبره هم بله وکړې I will shoot you. زه به تا وولم.
I have to do something. God helps those who help themselves.
I have to do something. زه باید یو څه وکړم. God helps those. الله د هغه چا سره کومک کوي who help themselves. څوک چې له خپلو ځانو سره کومک کوي.
Those are broken glass pieces. I can use them. I have to cut this rope.
Those are broken glass pieces. هغه مات شوي د ګلاس برخې دي. pieces ویل کېږي وړې وړې برخې. I can use them. زه کولی شم چې هغه استعمال کړم. I have to cut this rope. زه باید دغه پړی وشکوم. روپ ویل کېږي پړي ته.
Who is crying? Daisy, where are you?
Who is crying? څوک ژاړي. Daisy, where are you? ته چېرته یې.
Susan, you are still here. Why are you crying?
Susan, you are still here. ته تر اوسه پورې دلته یې. Why are you crying? ته ولې ژاړې.
Why did you do this to me? Why, Amir, why?
Why did you do this to me? تا ولې داسې له ما سره وکړه. Why, Amir, why? ولې امیره ولې.
Susan, what are you saying? I did not get you.
Susan, what are you saying? دا ته څه وایې. I did not get you. زه پوه نه شم ستا په خبره باندې.
Oh God, help me. You have ruined my life.
Oh God, help me. یا الله زما کومک وکړې. You have ruined my life. تا زما ژوند تباه کړی دی. ruin ویل کېږي تباه کول.
My head is spinning. I have to find Daisy.
My head is spinning. زما سر تاویږي. spinning ویل کېږي تاویدل. I have to find Daisy. زه باید ډیزي پیدا کړم.
Who are you? What are you
Who are you? څوک یې ته. What are you doing here? دلته څه کوې.
doing here?
I am Harry. My sister works here. Her name is Daisy.
I am Harry. زه هیری یم. My sister works here. زما خور دلته کار کوي. Her name is Daisy. د هغې نوم ډیزي ده.
Where is she? I want to meet her.
Where is she? هغه چیرته ده. I want to meet her. زه غواړم چې له هغې سره ملاقات وکړم.
Everyone has gone. Daisy did not come today.
What? Are you sure? I am worried about
What, sir? Are you sure? آیا ته یقیني یې؟ I am worried about her. زه د هغې باره کې پریشانه یم.
her.
Get lost. Your sister is not here. Everyone has
Get lost. ورک شه. Your sister is not here. ستا خور دلته نشته. Everyone has gone. هر یو تللی دی.
gone.
Susan, why are you crying? Please say something.
Susan, why are you crying? ته ولې ژاړې؟ Please say something. مهرباني وکړه یو څه ووایه.
I have to meet Daisy. Do you want to come with
I
me?
have to meet Daisy. زه باید ډیزي سره ملاقات وکړم. Do you want to come with me? آیا ته غواړې چې له ما سره لاړه شې؟
I don't want to talk to you. You have ruined my life.
I don't want to talk to you. زه نه غواړم چې له تا سره خبرې وکړم. You have ruined my life. تا زما ژوند تباه کړی دی.
Why did you do this to me? I have to die now.
Why did you do this to me? تا ولې داسې له ما سره وکړل؟ I have to die now. زه باید اوس مړه شمه. die ویل کېږي مړ کېدل.
Enough is enough, Susan. What are you talking
Enough is enough, Susan. بس دی نور بس دی سوزنه. What are you talking about? ته څه باره کې خبرې کوې؟
about?
You were not in your senses. You grabbed my hand.
You are not in your senses. ته په خپلو حساساتو کې نه وې. senses ویل کېږي حساسات. You grabbed my hand. تا زما لاس نیولی و.
Shut up. I don't want to talk
Shut
to
up. چوپ شه. I don't want to talk to you. زه نه غواړم چې له تا سره خبرې وکړم.
you.
We slept together, Amir. You had lost your mind.
We slept together, Amir. موږ یو ځای څملستلي وو امیره. You had lost your mind. تا خپل دماغ له لاسه ورکړي ول. mind ویل کېږي دماغو ته او together ویل کېږي یو ځای.
Stop lying, Susan. I don't trust you anymore.
Stop lying, Susan. دروغ ویل بند که سوزنه. I don't trust you. زه په تا باندې یقین نه کوم. trust ویل کېږي یقین کول. I don't trust you anymore. زه په تا باندې نور یقین نه کوم. Get lost. ورکه شه.
Lost.
I am not lying, Amir. I cannot go anywhere. You ruined my
I
life.
am not lying, Amir. زه دروغ نه وایم امیره. I cannot go anywhere. زه هیڅ چېرته هم زه نشم کولی چې چېرته لاړه شمه. You ruined my life. تا زما ژوند تباه کړ.
You have gone too far. Get out of my
You have gone too far. ته ډېر لرې تللی یې. Get out of my house. زما له کور څخه ووځه.
house.
I knew you would not. I have to die now. I cannot live anymore.
I knew you would not believe me. زه پوهېدلم چې ته به په ما باندې یقین نه کوې. believe ویل کېږي یقین کول. I have to die now. زه باید اوس مړه شمه. I cannot live anymore. زه نشم کولی چې نور واوسېږم یا نور ژوند وکړم.
Susan, where are you going?
Susan, where are you going? ته چېرته روانه یې؟
Thank God. I cut my rope. I have to go now.
Thank God. شکر الله. I cut my rope. ما خپله دغه رسۍ پرې کړه. I have to go now. زه باید اوس لاړه شم.
Hey girl, what do you think of yourself?
Hey girl. Hey جنیه. What do you think of yourself? د خپل ځان باره کې څه فکر کوي؟
I will tie you again. Go back.
I will tie you again. زه به تا دوباره وتړم. tie ویل کېږي تړه ده. Go back. بېرته لاړه شه.
I will not listen to you anymore. I will go from here.
I will not listen to you anymore. زه به نور تا ته غوږ نه نیسم. I will not go from here. I will go from here. زه به له دې ځای څخه ځمه.
You cannot go. I will kill you.
You cannot go. ته نشې کولی چې لاړه شې. I will kill you. زه به تا ووژنم.
Come back here. You don't know me yet.
Come back here بیرته دلته راشه. You don't know me yet. ته تر اوسه پورې ما نه پیژنې.
Have you lost your mind? Please don't jump.
Have you lost your mind? آیا ته خپل دماغ لاس ورکړی دی؟ Please don't jump. مهرباني وکړه ټوپ نه وهې.
Stay away from me, Amir. I don't want to talk to you.
Stay away from me, امیر له ما څخه لرې اوسه امیره. I don't want to talk to you. زه نه غواړم چې تا سره خبرې وکړم.
You have ruined my life. I don't want to live. Go away.
You have ruined my life. تا زما ژوند تباه کړی دی. I don't want to live. زه نه غواړم چې اوسېږم. Go away. لاړ شه.
I don't remember anything, Susan. I did not do anything.
I don't remember anything, Susan. زما هیڅ هم نه یادېږي سوزنه. Remember ویل کېږي یادول. I did not do anything. ما هیڅ هم نه دی کړی.
Please don't move. I will save you. I will grab your hand.
Please don't move. مهرباني وکړه ونه خوځېږې. I will save you. زه به تا وژغورم. I will grab your hand. زه به ستا لاس ونیسم.
If you come here, I will jump right away.
If you come here, که ته چېرې دلته راغلې. I will jump right away. زه به همدا اوس ټوپ ووهم.
Okay. I will not move. I am standing here. Please listen to me.
Okay, ټیک ده. I will not move. زه به حرکت نه کوم. I am standing here. زه دلته ولاړ یم. Please listen to me. مهرباني وکړه ما ته غوږ ونیسه.
Amir, where are you? Are you at home?
Amir, where are you? ته چېرته یې؟ Are you at home? آیا ته په کور کې یې؟
Amir, are you in your room? I need to talk to you.
Amir, are you in your room? آیا ته په خپله کوټه کې یې؟ I need to talk to you. زه باید له تا سره خبرې وکړم.
Goodbye, Amir. I know you will not accept me.
Goodbye, Amir. د خدای په امان امیره. I know زه پوهیږم. You will not accept me. چې ته ما قبوله نه کړې. Accept ویل کېږي قبولولو ته.
I have to die. I don't have other choice.
I have to die. زه باید مړه شمه. I don't have other choice. له ما سره زه بل انتخاب نه لرم.
I have to go from here.
I have to go from here. زه باید دې ځای څخه لاړه شم.
Oh my God. The door is locked. I have to find the key.
Oh my God. اوس زما خدایا. The door is locked. دروازه بنده ده. I have to find the key. زه باید کیلی پیدا کړم.
I have to go back. I need to find the key. This door is not opening.
I have to go back. زه باید بیرته لاړه شم. I need to find the key. زه باید کیلی پیدا کړم. This door is not opening. دغه دروازه نه خلاصیږي.
If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you are going